Hello and welcome once more to Cooking with Efia. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this simple cassava croquette, or is popularly called Bankye Akaakro. You can also call it Agbele Kaaklo if that is what you want. It has a whole lot of names. It's one of the popular street snacks in Ghana, and trust me, you are definitely going to love it at the end of this video. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So obviously I'm going to be using cassava for this recipe, and the cassava should be very fresh, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And afterwards I'll start by peeling the skin from the cassava, also remove the core from it, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And afterwards I'll scrape the back as well and set it aside. So now let's peel the cassava until we are done with everything. So now we are done with the peeling of the cassava, so I'll go ahead and start by washing it very nicely until the water runs out very clean. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so whilst we are also done with the washing of the cassava, I'll go ahead and grate the cassava very nicely, just the way you see it in the screens right now. If you don't want to really stress yourself, you can as well use your knife to cut your cassava into smaller pieces and blend it until you get the right consistency. But this grater couldn't do the work for me, so after grating it, I transferred everything into my blender and I blended it until I achieved the perfect consistency that I want. So if you don't want to stress yourself, as I said, you can as well cut your cassava into smaller shapes, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And afterwards you just have to transfer everything into your blender, go in with just a little bit of water, blend until you achieve the perfect consistency. With Agbele Kaakro or Bankye Akaakro, we don't blend the cassava to be very smooth, so kindly note it. So after blending my cassava, you need a flosser cloth or a clean napkin to help strain out the water from the cassava, because we want the cassava dough to come out very dry and not very wet. So with the help of this flosser cloth, I will squeeze out all the water from the cassava until it becomes very dry, or I squeeze to get no water from it again. Alright, so now let's do it until we achieve the perfect results. Alright, so while that is going on, if you haven't still, give this video a thumbs up here. Baby, what are you waiting for? Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget as well to subscribe to my channel. Also, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after squeezing out the water from the cassava, this is how it's supposed to be. It should come out very dry and just perfect. At this point it is all done, so now let's set this aside. And for my other ingredients, I'm also going to be using onions and also spring onions. So I'm going to be blending the spring onions with a half of this onion, and I'll come back to add everything to it. But before that, let me fluff the cassava a little bit, and afterwards I'll go in with my ingredients, which is the chopped onions and also the blended onion and spring onions. So afterwards I'll go in with some salt to taste as well. The salt is totally to your taste, but be sure the salt goes in very well. Alright, so I'll mix everything well, just the way you see it on your screen right now, because I really want the natural spices to really incorporate very well with the cassava. So after mixing everything together very nicely, I'll start by molding my cassava into a round perfect balls, just the way you see it on your screens right now. Yes, we want our Agbele Kaakro to really come out very well. So now let's mold our cassava into an egg-like shape until we are done with everything. Wow, if you are thinking of a new business that is very less costly but will definitely bring you a lot of money into your pocket, trust me, then this recipe is one of the snacks or recipe that you can go for, because it's very easy to put together and people do love it very well. It's one of the popular street snack in Ghana. Just trust the process and you are definitely going to love it. Alright, so now we are done molding the cassava croquette. So all that is left is to start to heat up some cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice, and also allow the cooking oil to really heat up a little bit and go in with your Bankye Akaakro. Now let's fry this until it's nice and crispy. Whilst we frying our cassava croquette, let me also remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing. Also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, so after frying the Bankye Akaakro for about 10 minutes now, it is all done and very crispy. As you can see, I just love how golden it turned out. It turned out so good, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian popular street snack. Bankye Akaakro goes well with coconut, I mean the dry coconut. So if you haven't tried this combo, kindly try it and thank me later in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.